That be one that's on the own friend.
Dr. Remix, it's gonna be.
Good.
Boy, maybe I'm afraid
Oh my God. Ah, I can't believe this. What? How am I going to take this thing? Oh my God.
Hello.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate.
You know, greet.
Oh, you know
greet.
what? I was in hurry, so I forgot to greet. Forgive me. I really appreciate. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
1 minute.
What's your name? What's your name?
Philip.
Philip. Okay, I'm Akosia Gynel.
Where are you going?
I'm meeting someone in the restaurant there.
Well, you talk 1 minute.
Sorry, what did you say?
Me and you talk 1 minute. Talk 1 minute.
You want to talk to me? What? Oh, but I have a meeting in there.
Oh, 1 minute.
So
please.
let me just finish and then come back to you, okay? Please, please, please,
Please,
please.
1 minute, please. Hello.
I'm having a meeting, so when I'm done, I'll come back and then.
Yes, now, 1 minute, please.
Okay, probably because you took my key from me, so let me just listen. What's up? Are you okay?
I'm good. Please stay here. Please stay here.
You stay here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You have a nice place. So, is it your own house or you live there as a worker?
Yeah, I live with my mother, my father.
Oh, you live with your father?
Yes.
Hey, at your age?
Oh, me here. Now go put me. I'm got to die. Here going. You go to chop.
Yeah, I'm having a meeting in there, so that was what I was saying. So let me go finish.
Time you come back. What time?
Oh, I won't take long. I'll take like, let's say 5 to 10 minutes, then I'm done.
You have a boyfriend? Boyfriend?
Why do you want to know if I have a boyfriend? Like,
I like
why? Oh my goodness, you like me already. You just met me. You don't know me.
You are.
I'm what?
You are beautiful.
Oh, anyway, you're also handsome. Nice meeting you. You're handsome.
No, I'm not handsome.
You're not handsome. Why are you saying that?
I'm fooling me.
Anyway, I'm saying you're handsome. So that's it. Anyway, let me go inside and then I'll come back when I'm done.
So me wait for you.
Yeah, you can wait for me here if you don't have anything doing. Okay?
I'm free.
Okay, that's fine. So I'll be back, okay?
Okay, I love you.
Hey, okay, love you too. This guy is funny, gosh.
Hey, boy, people, see I can't pick it.
Yeah, the food was very nice. I really had a good time. Oh, you're such a darling, you know that?
Hello.
I really appreciate.
Hello. Hello.
I don't know him. Oh.
Hello.
I don't know. Sorry,
Nah,
but you know me.
Now never go your body.
What's the problem?
Excuse me. Who are you calling? Like, are you calling me or him? Babe, let's go. I don't know him. Like, this is crazy. I don't know why people see ladies and then they start calling them as if they know them from Adam.
Hello.
Like,
Mommy.
it's crazy. Yo, please, what's wrong with you? Are you okay?
What's the problem?
Are you okay?
You speak.
See, he just wants to embarrass me. Like, what's this? Babe, let's go.
Oh, yeah, please, 1 minute.
Don't mind
please,
him.
1 minute.
Don't mind him. I don't know from anywhere. Like, what's all this embarrassment? I don't know him anywhere.
Me, sit here. You cross, key, down. He give you a key.
Look at what he's saying. I don't even understand what he's saying. Babe, let's go. Please.
You like me? You tell me.
Who likes you? What's there? You want to embarrass me?
Like me.
The best content in the city. Beautiful girl, fine boys pretty. Young producer running GGC. She know the joke, she dey focus on her lane. Editing sharp, she dey walk through pain. Future so bright like sunshine rain. Gynel TV go worldwide, no complaint. Subscribers rising, notifications ring. Every new video be the next big thing. Support the girl, make the numbers sing. Gynel is the queen, let the whole world sing.
Blah, blah, come.
Gynel TV, where the vibes begin. From Ghana we dey win and win. Gynel, the young star, shine like diamonds. Keep watching Gynel TV, yeah. The vibe to lively. From YouTube straight to your heart, every year distinctly. Me like party. Gynel TV, the best content in the city. Beautiful girls, fine boys pretty. Young producer running GSG. Dr. Remix GX on the beat.